it's your girl Quita from Crown Me Quita, and guess what, y'all? I dyed my hair ginger, like you guys can't tell. But I do have a YouTube video up on how I achieved this look. So now that I've dyed my hair, I'm after a new look with my natural, and so I want to shape my fro. So it's my first time, so this could be a win or an epic fail. But either way, I'm bringing you along with me, okay? So I'm sure I could go to a professional and get this done, but you know me, frugality is key, and if it's something that I can do by myself, I'm gonna do it to save a coin, period. It's fresh out of a twist out. Now my hair does typically get bigger, and it's typically like day 3 or 4, but I'm too excited. I can't wait till day 3. I'm not gonna cut it as short as I would want it because I know that my hair is still gonna swell. This is the shape I want. I want that rounded out shape. I wanna have like the illusion of a bang, and so I'm gonna cut it curl by curl instead of straight. Because I feel like cutting it curl by curl is more forgiving. Whereas when you cut it straight, if you mess up, it is so visible. Cutting it curl by curl, you get the exact shape that you want with your natural. And I barely wear my hair straight, so cutting it curl by curl just works for me. Okay, so let's get into it. All you will need, literally, is hair scissors. Make sure they're shearers made for the hair because they're sharper, the blade is sharper, and it will cut your hair without splitting the ends. Do not use scissors that you have around the house that you craft with. Don't use kitchen scissors. Use scissors specifically for your hair called shearers, okay? And you'll need a pick. So I'm gonna start by just fluffing my fro out with the pick, adding volume, because typically this happens naturally on day 3, but since I'm ready to get it popping now, I'm gonna go ahead and fluff it out myself, okay? So I'm just taking the pick and lifting at the roots. Because big hair don't care, okay? Because the bigger the hair, the closer to heaven, okay? I love big hair. And so the way that I'm shaping this fro is going to volumize my hair, it's gonna round it out, and it's going to make my fro look a lot bigger. I don't really have a part, but I have a point. And from that point, my hair falls naturally in a circle, okay? So that is the shape that I'm forming, kind of like a lion's mane. So let's start with the bang, not the banyang. The banyang, ooh, oh, whoa, whoa. I'm doing curl by curl. So I'm literally curl looks so pretty at the end. I don't want to cut it off, but gotta go for this new shape I'm after. You feel me? My hair is going to puff up at the roots, and it's going to make this rise. I hope it don't make it rise that much. Well, we don't see. Curl by curl. Done cut through my gel polish, mess around with it. Them shearers ain't no joke. Playing with me. So you get the picture, right? I'm trying to shape my curls around my face, like so. The way that I'm going to achieve shape in the back is just by turning my head to the side, kind of pulling the curls to the side, like so. Let's do a mirror check. I've done some before I started the video, so I need to stop and do a mirror check. Okay, so at this point I just want to get a hold on my dead ends. The first thing I'm going to do, pull all my hair forward like this and cut off any fuzzies that I see. All right, mirror check. Looks like I need to add a little more volume in here. So I'm gonna pull those pieces to the side, like so. Just snip. I'm just gonna get all that. And you will be surprised at how long my hair still is, guys. Yes, shape. You better come through shape. Y'all see that shape coming through. Need a little more shape to the top to round it out. Feel me?
Okay.
It's best to pull the curls to the side and cut. Hold your fingers at a diagonal and then cut it off. Then it doesn't look like you just cut straight across bluntly. It looks more layered or feathered. Like you see these two right here? I just cut and it kind of shows, but I'm gonna see if I can blend it. So this is how I'm gonna fix this. So when I pull my hair to the side here, I'm trying to make sure that I have that moon, like a half moon shape. And you see? I'm happy with this half moon shape over here. All right. No, not. I need to take more off at the top and the back. Yes, boo. And I'm gonna leave it alone for now and see how it looks when it swells, like on day 3. And then I'll make any changes then. But I'm happy with this, guys. Like, and please don't be nervous for me because look, even though I clipped off hair, okay, shrinkage is real. Believe it. Period. Went to the salon where? So let me just give you a 360 view, okay? I'm so proud of my results, guys. I really love it. So I was really wanting like this heart shape. And you see how I got this heart shape? So I would say that that was a mission accomplished. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. And remember, adjust your crowns because royalty looks good on you. Happy YouTubing. Bye.